The question now is not whether AI will become part of the future. Whenever a new technology emerges, the same question inevitably follows. Will it replace humans? We heard it when the internet transformed business. And today, we're hearing it again with artificial intelligence. The reality is usually more nuanced than the headlines suggest. Technology rarely eliminates work altogether. Rather than replacing entire professions overnight, AI will automate specific tasks. Routine analysis, data collection, documentation, content generation, administrative work. This means the value of purely repetitive work may decline. At the same time, the value of judgment, creativity, leadership, and decision-making may increase. Because AI can provide information, but information alone is not strategy. AI can generate recommendations, but recommendations are not accountability. AI can identify patterns, but patterns are not wisdom. Ultimately, businesses still require people to make decisions, manage risks, build relationships, and navigate uncertainty. In fact, the more information AI generates, the more important human judgment may become. Because when everyone has access to the same technology, competitive advantage comes from how that technology is used, not the technology itself. The future is unlikely to be AI versus humans. The future is more likely to be AI and humans working together. Those that view AI as a replacement for human thinking may be disappointed, because throughout history, the most successful organizations have combined technological capability with human judgment, and that formula is unlikely to change. The question now is not whether AI will become part of the future. The question is how businesses can position themselves to benefit from that future. And that's where our final predictions begin.